Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, this is not a drill. Grab your phone, your keys, and throw on those running shoes because we have so many run deals to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Alright guys, first up, I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the audio in this video. I'm sitting in my car next to a highway. I just left DG. You're going to hear cars, trucks, 18-wheelers, we've got helicopters, National Guard flying over, so we've got all kinds of noises going on in the background, and I do apologize, but I had to get this information out to you all ASAP. If you've missed any videos so far, make sure that you go back and check them out. We have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now. We have run deals, we have super low out-of-pocket deals, and we have a penny list for this week, plus surprise pennies. So, all of that will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now we're going to talk about some run deals because today at Dollar General we have brand new items joining this clearance event. Now guys, the clearance event does not end until Thursday at closing time. So you do have until then to get in on these deals, but let me go ahead and warn you, the shelves will be cleared. So if you want to get in on these deals, you're going to have to run today ASAP. Like I said, I'm sitting outside of my Dollar General right now in the parking lot. I'm fixing to go back in and grab some more deals, but check out my buggy. You're looking at two transactions that I just did. I split them up for a reason, and we're going to talk about all of that later on in the video, so make sure that you watch the video all the way through. We're going to talk coupons and laundry products that just joined this clearance event. So let's take a look at what is brand new. Up first, we have the 100 count Arm & Hammer dryer sheets in the Purifying Water scent. Right now, these are 50% off at $1.80. Next up, we have the Bounce dryer sheets, 50 count. Fresh and clean scent priced at $2.47. Next, we have the Snuggle Blue Sparkle In-Wash Scent Boosters. These are the crystals, 21 ounces, priced at $2.70. And then we also have the Snuggle Crystals in the Lavender scent. Also, the 21 ounce bottles priced at $2.70. Next up, we have the True Living 3-in-1 Liquid Laundry Packs, 16 count. So this is like the off-brand of Tide. These are priced at just $2.16. Here's a really good one. We have the Ocean Mist Scent Downy Rinse and Refresh. These are normally $6.26. Right now they're $3.13. And to make it even better, we have that $1.05 off of one digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2.08. Next up, I know this one's going to be very popular. We have the Clorox brand Fresh Meadow Scented Bleach. 40 fluid ounce bottles at just $1.80. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just 80 cents. And we also have a 2-off-2 digital coupon. So if you pick up 2 after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1.60 for 2. All right, now the moment that I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for, we're going to talk about Gain products because we have several included. We have manufacturer coupons, we have DG store coupons, we have rebates, the whole shebang. So up first, we have the 46 fluid ounce Gain liquid laundry detergent in the Fresh Water Sparkle scent. These are normally $5.50. They're 10% off plus an additional 50% off, so that's putting them at $2.47. Plus, we have a 105 off of one manufacturer coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $1.42. Next up, we have the 9.1 ounce Gain Odor Defense In-Wash Scent Booster Beads in the Fresh Water Sparkle scent. These are normally like $7.50. Right now, they're $3.37 during this clearance event. And we have a 105 off of one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $2.32. Next up, you guys are not going to believe this, we have the Gain 3-in-1 laundry detergent packs with odor defense, Freshwater Sparkle and Febreze scents. These are the 60 count flings. These are normally $15.95 if we're lucky. We have good digital coupons on this product, but right now during the clearance event, this specific scent is just $7.18, but the deal gets even sweeter with that $105 off of one digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just $6.13. But we're still not done, because we also have the 60 count Gain Plus Odor Defense dryer sheets in the Freshwater Sparkle scent. These are normally like, what, $3.50, somewhere around in there. Right now, they're $1.35 at Dollar General. Now, on this one, I did not have a manufacturer coupon for this product, but you might. Dollar General gave us a lot of exclusive coupons last week, and not all accounts received the same coupons. So definitely scan before you go up to the register. All right, next up, this one is huge. We have the 24-ounce bottles of the Gain Fireworks in the original scent. These are normally like $15.95. They're 10% off plus an additional 50% off during this clearance event. That brings them down to just $7.18. Now, the 105 off of one digital coupon for the Gain Fireworks should work with this product. Unfortunately, I already used mine before I put this slide together for you. So just scan to double check and see if you have that coupon and see if it will attach to this product. Now, we also have this DG store coupon on the Gain Fireworks. It's $24 when you purchase two. But obviously, with the clearance event going on, we are not going to be even paying $24 for two with the 50% off discount. But I have a feeling that this might glitch at new register stores. It might pick up the regular price like some of our other DG store coupons do, and take off a couple of dollars for those fireworks if you can find two of them. I haven't made it out to a new register store yet. I stopped everything that I was doing just to put this video together. So once I get to a new register store, I will leave any updates for you guys down in the pinned comment below. Now, another thing that we have going on as far as coupons for these products is we do have a 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon. Now, I just left a store. It is an old register store, and I thought that the 5 off 30 would come off. However, my P&G coupon for when you spend $30 on P&G brand products, you're going to get back an $8 coupon on your account. So that coupon actually applied before the 5 off 30 Gain, and that's totally fine with me. But I just wanted to pass that along to you all, that way you're aware when you go up to the register. Now, one last thing that I wanted to remind everybody about is we do have a rebate right now on the pngoodeveryday.com website. So if you do run out today and pick up a bunch of Gain products, make sure that you save those receipts and head on over to the PNG Good website and check out that rebate. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me for now. I will put any additional notes down in the pinned comment below. Good luck out there. Please let me know if you score. And as always, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.